Alright, welcome to Whiteboard and we are back, and today didiscuss natin ano ba yung mga red flags when it comes to mga investing sa mga businesses na nakikita nyo dyan online. Kasi I know na very vulnerable ang Pilipino sa get rich quick scheme, and sa tagal ko nang nasa online at nag-i-invest online, medyo kabisado ko na kung ano ang scam at ano ang hindi. Now there's a saying na it's too good to be true, and trust me when I say this, it is too good to be true. Kapag may nakita kang investment opportunity or business opportunity dyan that sounds way too good to be true, yun na yung unang red flag mo, lumayo at lumayo ka na. Kasi hindi bihira, and trust me when I say this, especially yung mga kakilala ko nagsasabi na, Sam, may alam ako, guaranteed 10% per month yung kita dito. Man, if marunong ka ng simple math, alam mo ba na ang 10% per month, pag nag-invest ka ng 100,000 pesos at iniwan mo lang yan, because of compound interest in just 14 years, kasing yaman mo na si Elon Musk, which is $1 trillion. To dollars din to ah. So imagine mo, okay, sige Sam, peso lang, peso, 100k peso. Still the same, in 14 years meron ka na 1 trillion peso. Wala kang kilalang may 1 trillion peso kasi again, this is not true. It is too good to be true. Yung 100k mo magiging 100k lang kung sino man nag-offer nitong 10% per month. Huwag ka maniwala dyan. Number 2 is pyramid scheme. Alam mo ba na illegal ang pyramid scheme, ang multi-level marketing sa US? Kasi that's how obvious it is na only those at the top yung kumikita. Sama ng pyramid scheme. Basically, yung bebentahan kayo ng product, tapos sabihin nila, kapag bumili ka nitong product na to, pwede ka na mag-businessman, negosyo yan. Pag binili mo mong product na to, ibenta mo sa iba, tapos pag nagbenta ulit sila, may commission ka dun. That's a pyramid scheme. Now, hindi ako magne-name ng kahit ano dito sa video na to kasi ayokong may magalit. Pero same lang naman kasi lahat ng pattern yan. Bibili ka ng product, tapos magiging part ka nung team nila. Obvious naman, di ba? Kapag magpro-promote ka nung product nila, bakit kailangan mong bilhin in the first place? Kung magiging marketing person ka nila, dapat bigay na nila yung product. Now again, if you know simple math, if you know exponential growth, kasi pababa ng pababa yan, let's say each person produces 2 recruits, may dalawa siyang ma-recruit every single time. In just 13 cycles nito, 13 to 15 cycles, lahat ng tao sa buong mundo nabentahan mo na. Hindi talaga possible yan. This is an obvious scam. This is an obvious waste of your money and your investment money. Huwag ka magbabayad ng entry fee para maging part ng team nila. Next naman is guaranteed results. This is pretty much the same as doon sa 10% per month natin kanina. If they promise something like that, just get away from it, man. It's not true. Another red flag na nakikita ko is yung pressure. Yung mga FOMO ka talaga. For example, investment opportunity, 10 slots remaining. Join now, buy now, invest now. Ang investment, it's not following the crowd. You need to understand your choices and trust your research and not just trends. And it's all about using your brain and not your emotions. Kaya wag kang magpapadala sa mga ganito. And last naman is hostage fund. Hostage funds basically, kailangan mo magbayad ng fee para ma-withdraw mo yung pera mo. Pera mo yun eh, bakit mo kailangan magbayad ng fee? Are you stupid? That's a crazy platform. Ang dami ko nakikita ng ganito. Especially yung, for example, yung mga, ang daming nag-post nito before yung mga commission pages dyan, commission pages or yung mga online work pages. Tapos, hindi nila ma-withdraw yung pera nila kasi naka-lock na daw. The pattern is pretty much the same as with any scam investments out there. Kailangan mo lang talaga malaman kung ano yung pattern na to. Okay Sam, if 10% per month is too good to be true, what is a decent margin of something that's not too good to be true? You can check out something like ETF investing for this channel. What I always promote is GoTrade. You can check out the link in my description. May free $2 ka doon pag ginamit mo yung link ko doon. And unfortunately, yung value nito is just 10% per year and not 10% per month. Pero that is something that's very realistic for you to achieve. Ang tagal naman noon, 10% per year. Paano mo kikita doon? O sige, magpa-scam ka na lang ulit, di ba? Or you just start your own business. Di ba? Sell your own products. Ba't mo kailangan magbenta ng products ng iba dito sa pyramid scheme na to if you can just make your own product and then sell it? Tapos, di ba, hindi mo na kailangan ng entry fee, Diyos ko. Now, I'm a firm believer that experience is the best teacher. I'm sure like 50%, 60% of you guys na mapapanood to, eventually may scam din kayo, wag naman sana. Kasi hindi nyo pinakinggan yung mga nandito. Bibigay kayo dito sa FOMO na to, bibigay kayo dito sa 10% per month na to, baka bumigay kayo dito sa pyramid scheme. I hate pyramid scheme with a passion. Wag naman sana. na bumigay kayo dito. Pero please, if bumigay man kayo, if ma-scam man kayo, if mawalan man kayo ng pera sa mga wrong investments nyo, huwag nyo nang uulitin at matuto kayo, okay? Learn your lesson and don't do it again. Isipin nyo na lang tuition fee nyo yun to make better decisions in the future. But I'm just making this video, okay? Hindi ko kayo pinipilit na wag mong gagawin yan. Baka may okay na opportunity talaga na sa'yo lang naka-open. Kunin mo or not, wag mo akong sisisihin. Pero that's pretty much it for this video. Now comment down below kung na-scam ka na ba at kung saan ka na-scam at kung paano ka na-scam. Now share this video to your friends para hindi din sila ma-scam and subscribe para hindi ka mamatay na brokey.